Hello students. So as we were discussed about the is matter around us pure और जो हमारा टॉपिक था that was solution and today we will discuss about the types of solution. So particular point is this for the type of solution is that we can divide the solution on the basis of their physical state. Okay, so now we will discuss its type on the basis of physical state. As we have already discussed about the solution, there are two components. One is solute and other one is solvent and will give rise to the solution. So now this type which we are going to discuss on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. So let's check it out about the types of solution one by one. Okay. So let us discuss about the types of solution on the basis of their physical state. So here we can form the solution by the solute and solvents as these are the two components of the solution, and at the last we will discuss some example of each type. उसके कुछ एक एग्जांपल्स को भी देखेंगे. So now solute, एक चीज याद रखनी है, the solute is that component of solution which is available in the small quantity. Okay, so that is very important, confusion नहीं रहेगी, इसको ध्यान रखना है. And the solvent is that component which is in the large quantity, that is in the large quantity. तो solute and solvent को ध्यान रखना है, which one is the small quantity and which one is the large quantity. जो स्टेट सॉल्वेंट की होगी, जो भी स्टेट सॉल्वेंट की होगी वो उसी तरीके के कंसीडर किया जाएगा कि वही सॉल्यूशन है, उसी तरीके का. फॉर एग्जांपल से यहां पर हमने सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, ये तीन स्टेट्स को हमने कंसीडर कर लिया. किसकी स्टेट्स को? सॉल्वेंट की स्टेट्स को. सो अगर यहां पर इसके अंदर किसी भी चीज को यानी कि सोल्यूट की किसी भी फिजिकल स्टेट को ऐड करेंगे, सो दैट विल ऑलवेज बी कंसीडर एज द सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन. यहां पर इफ द सॉल्वेंट हैज लिक्विड स्टेट, सो यदि मैं कोई भी स्टेट सोल्यूट की इसके अंदर ऐड ऑन करता हूं तो दैट विल ऑलवेज बी कंसीडर एज द लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन. सेम वे में if any physical state of solute added to the gaseous part of the solvent, so it is always be considered as the gaseous solution. Clear? So इन तीनों चीजों को ध्यान रखना. So we will also write here the physical state of solute कि कितनी कितनी physical state हो सकती है. Say some solid dissolve in solid, say some liquid dissolve in solid, say some gas dissolve in solid. तो ये तीन states हो गई. So again say solid, liquid and gas, three states हो गई. other three states are solid, liquid and gases. ठीक है. so how we can add into the solvent के अंदर कैसे ऐड करेंगे? some solid means solute का physical state क्या है? solid is dissolve in solid में ही dissolve किया गया means solvent के अंदर, so that will form the solid in solid solution. So that will be solid in solid solution. Solid in solid solution का बेस्ट एग्जांपल क्या है? That will be alloy. ठीक है. alloy के बारे में हम थोड़ा बहुत स्टडी करेंगे. What are alloys? alloys क्या होते हैं? दो मेटल या एक मेटल और नॉन मेटल को मिक्स कर देने से the formation of alloy will takes place. For example, the best is iron plus carbon. स्टील की फॉर्मेशन होती है, तो that is the steel formation, iron plus carbon. So that is the solid in solid solution. Both are in the solid state, so that's why it is considered to be a solid in solid solution. What about the other? The liquid dissolve in solid. So liquid is in the less quantity and solid is in the large quantity, so that will form the which type of solution it is? So liquid in solid solution, so that will be considered as liquid in solid solution. So the example is hydrated salts. ठीक है. हाइड्रेटेड सॉल्ट्स के बारे में हम आगे स्टडी करेंगे. 10th क्लास में इसका थोड़ा बहुत जिक्र है, सो वी विल डिस्कस इट ओवर देयर. सो एज ऑफ नाउ यू जस्ट रिमेंबर द एग्जांपल लाइक हाइड्रेटेड सॉल्ट्स आर देयर. सो मैं एक एग्जांपल लिख देता हूं, से CuSO4.5H2O. So that will be considered as the copper sulfate pentahydrated. So water is available in the crystalline form. यहाँ पर वाटर इसके साथ अवेलेबल होता है इन क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कंसीडर्ड टू बी एज लिक्विड इन सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन। क्लियर है? सो ये अच्छे से मिक्स रहते हैं, हम नहीं पता कर सकते इसमें से विच वन इज द सॉलिड एंड विच वन इज द लिक्विड। सो देन नेक्स्ट इज गैस इन सॉलिड। गैस इन सॉलिड, so this will be considered as gas in solid solution. Gas in solid solution. And so the example of this is also we will study in the higher classes, that is the hydrogen gas in platinum. So that is the example. So we will use this platinum metal as a source of hydrogen gas. So that's why we will consider it as the gas in solid solution. Fine. So these all are formation of the solid solution. ये सभी की सभी solid solution की formation है. You will see at last you will find the solid. So that's why they are considered to be as solid solutions. Clear? So again we will discuss the other three. The solid in liquid. So now liquid is in the large quantity and the other states of the solute will be in the small quantity. So these will be considered as the liquid solutions. So इनको क्या कहा जाएगा? Liquid solution. The first one is the solid in liquid. So that will be considered as solid in liquid solution. So I think you all know about it. That is the salt solution. So salt in water. Salt in water. So that will be the solid in liquid. So we know that salt is in the less quantity and liquid is in the large quantity. So that will be considered as the solid in liquid solution. So the other one is liquid in liquid. So the best example is liquid in liquid solution. So that will be alcohol in water. ठीक है? So the example is alcohol in water. So they will also form the liquid in liquid solution. So the type of liquid solutions. Other one is gas in liquid. So gas in liquid solution. So gas in liquid solution, the best example is, you know, these days you all are very much familiar with these type of solutions, like it is cold drink. ठीक है? कोल्ड ड्रिंक के अंदर भी गैस प्रेजेंट होती है, that is carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide in liquid, liquid means water, water के अंदर present होती है, तो that's why it is considered to be as carbonated water. ठीक है? Aerated drinks जिनको हम बोलते हैं, they are considered to be as aerated drinks. Aerated means air, air जिनके अंदर air present होती है, तो air की form में यहाँ पर क्या present होगा, that is carbon dioxide. So all these three, the next three are considered to be as a liquid solution because liquid is present in the large quantity in these particular types. Fine. Other one is, so these are considered to be as gaseous solutions. So first one is solid in gas. ठीक है? Solid in gas. And that will be solid in gas solutions. Solid in gas solution. So the best example of this is, that is iodine vapors in air. ठीक है? So that will be also studied in the higher classes. So just remember the example, that is iodine vapor in the air. So air के अंदर iodine के जो vapors available होंगे, तो they will be considered to be as the solid in gaseous solution. So solid is iodine and air. We all know that is gases. Then the liquid in gas. So the next is liquid in gas solution. So liquid is available in the less quantity and gas is available in the large quantity. So can you suggest me anything? Yes, exactly. The humidity in air. ठीक है? इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Humidity in air. Humidity होती है the water droplets, water present in the air. ठीक है? बारिश के दिनों में यूजली जो ह्यूमिडिटी है वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है. So that is the nothing but the water. Damp air बोला जाता है इसको. That is called the damp air. And gas in gas. Gas in gas. So we all know that gases in gases always form the solution because they mix homogeneously with each other. So they are considered to be as gases in gases solution. So we all know about the air. Air के अंदर क्या होता है? Nitrogen plus oxygen will mix homogeneously with each other. So that why they are considered to be as gases in gaseous solution. So these are types of the solution. In total there are 9 types of solutions are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are 9 types of solution we are having. ठीक है, जनरली इन स्मॉल क्लासेस 4-5 जो टाइप्स हैं वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पढ़ी जाती हैं. दैट इज वन इज सॉलिड इन सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन, लाइक वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द अलॉयज. देन वी हैव सॉलिड इन लिक्विड, डेफिनेटली पढ़ा जाता है, दैट इज सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन. लिक्विड इन लिक्विड, अल्कोहल इन वाटर. ठीक है, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दी गैसेस इन गैसेस सॉल्यूशन के बारे में भी हम स्टडी करेंगे. सो दीज आर द टाइप्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो हमने अभी अभी डिस्कस किया वो भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो डू इट केयरफुली. ओके.